All right, welcome back to the channel, you guys. My name is Tamaria Loc'd and I go by Tamaria Loc'd on all of my social media platforms. So feel free to follow me on whatever your favorite platform is. Today we're getting ready to dive into some energy of the tarot cards and hopefully pull some messages of inspiration, something that will help you to be motivated, some sort of guidance. And as we're pulling these messages, I just want to put a disclaimer that I am hoping that they come to me and through me through pure intentions. So we're going to be doing a one card read for each zodiac sign today. So if you've watched my previous videos, then we're just going to roll the dice. One has the zodiac signs, then the other has the number. So the number will be used to determine how many times we actually shuffle the cards. And then I guess as well, at the end of the one card read, we could also give each zodiac sign a affirmation from the Mindful Collective deck. So yeah, that is what we got going on for today. So let's go ahead and jump into it. All right, Divine, who do we have a message for? Who do we have a message for? It looks like we still need to channel a message for Libra. We still need to channel a message for Gemini. Or no, we already did Gemini. So really all we have is Aries, Cancer, Libra, and Capricorn. All right, Divine, which of those do we have a message for right now? All right, so we have Libra. And then we have the number 9. All right, Divine, so please help me to channel a message of inspiration and of guidance or motivation for our Libra. God, please help me to channel this message from my heart, my brain, and my tongue in a manner that is pure and full of love. So let's go ahead and get into that for our Libra. All right, Libra. All right, Libra. So as I'm doing your readings, some of the same cards keep popping out. So Libra, if you are watching these videos or if you happen to come across these videos and it's like the same card and you aren't in this energy, just believe that this energy is coming for you, Libra. Whatever it is that you are working on, especially as far as being an entrepreneur, working for yourself, not working for anybody, like actually taking the time to use what you have and what you got in order to build something, it's gonna manifest, and it's gonna manifest into a ton of abundance for you, Libra. Right now, the card that I pulled for you is the 9 of Pentacles. So basically, this is a woman standing in a garden that is a garden of her own work, a garden of her own success, a garden of her own financial success, a garden that is just flourishing. She's standing in a garden with a bird. She's connected to nature, her creative side, and she is just really self-aware. Sorry about that. She's just really self-aware of all of the things that she had to sacrifice in order to get to this current position, and she realized that she had to give up some of the ordinary things like starting a family, being in a relationship to where she had to pour herself into another person, which would prevent her from getting to this bag. So she is just very self-aware. This is the second time that I've pulled Libra and a 9 and got this card. So if this is not your current energy, Libra, and you have been working towards something, now I can understand if you haven't been working towards anything at all, but if you have been working towards something, or if you are within this energy, congratulations, Libra. Congrats on your success in your endeavors. So yeah, that's pretty much what I have for you as far as this card. Let me go ahead and pull an affirmation card for you as well. I'm sorry if you hear my kids in the background. But yeah, let's go ahead and pull an affirmation card. All right, so Libra, your affirmation card for today's reading says, I am always guided. I am always guided. I am always guided. So yeah, you're always guided. So that is what I have for you today, Libra. If you got any type of motivation, guidance, or inspiration from this video, be sure to go ahead and give it a thumbs up. If you have not already as well, subscribe to the channel and also hit the notification bell so that you don't miss any of your up and coming messages. All right, so I'll see you in the next one. Bye.